In the rapidly evolving world of digital finance, understanding BlockDAG is crucial. Traditional blockchains like Bitcoin operate linearly, processing transactions one after another, leading to delays and bottlenecks during peak usage. BlockDAG, or directed acyclic graph, revolutionizes this by allowing multiple blocks to be created and linked in parallel. This innovative structure enables simultaneous transaction processing, significantly increasing volume without sacrificing speed or security. Key benefits for users and developers include enhanced transaction speeds and lower fees, making cryptocurrency more accessible. BlockDAG's scalability accommodates growing numbers of users and transactions without performance loss, essential for decentralized applications. Advanced consensus algorithms like GhostDAG maintain security and data integrity, even with multiple blocks processed simultaneously. Additionally, BlockDAG is fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, allowing easy migration of existing Ethereum dApps and smart contracts. In summary, BlockDAG represents the next evolution in blockchain technology. Want to learn more? Join the conversation and follow for updates.